Today we're going to be showing you what we do with our onions. We've shown these before a few times on our live streams, but they're really just getting too long and need to get trimmed. And it's around that time when everyone needs to be trimming their onions down, so we figured we'd show you how to do it. But before we do, have you joined Survival Seeds Collab yet? Because if you haven't, you can go to survivalseedscollab.com and figure out how you can make your entry video and then get your free seeds. We already have some of our survival seeds growing. Right behind me, we've got the tomatoes. The Roma tomatoes from this year are right here, and then we also grew Marianas again from last year, just because we liked them. And then the brassicas we have growing. Now you don't have to throw these out. These can be used as chives for your recipes, and if you don't like chives, you can feed them to chickens or goats or whatever. They'll eat it gladly. But you can use these 100%. And over there, we have our peppers growing next to Punky's fish tank. So it's already started, and if you want to join, just check out the website. Now, here we have our onions, and we grow a lot of onions. And we also have some, I think these ones are carrots, and that's celery growing here. But the big thing right now is the onions. So with the onions, yeah, you want them to grow, and you want them to get tall, but see, they're already falling over. And that's not a bad thing. But our frost day isn't till around like Mother's Day weekend. So we want them to focus for now on getting strong as opposed to long, because we need to have them manageable inside, and you want them strong enough to hold themselves up when they go outside. So we're gonna trim them. Now, I don't know how to show you this. If you stand up the onions, you wanna cut off like a third of the onion tip when you trim it. This is what cutting the grass would look like if they never invented lawnmowers. That should be pretty good. And there might be a few that you like didn't pull out when you cut them, but that's probably fine. They'll die off and turn yellow, and then you can pick them out then. And then there's these ones too. But yeah, it's really easy to cut the onions. Just trim them, and that'll help them to get stronger and be able to hold themselves up by the time they actually move outside. If you remember last year, we had a huge onion harvest, and I made some shorts on our onions and garlic and when to harvest them and like what to do with them later on. So if you want to check those out, I'll link it somewhere if you're interested. And that smells really good in here now. So now our onions are easier to manage. They're not falling all over the place. They're gonna get stronger. And we have chives that we can use in mashed potatoes, salad, eggs, whatever else you put chives in, egg drop soup, I don't know. So I hope this helps you guys. If you're wondering what you should be doing with your onions once they start collapsing, that's what you do. Now, my next video is going to be on what we do with our garlic. We've got garlic outside right now. We planted some carrots out there, Bunky did, the other day. So that's what the next video is going to be about, and that should be recorded in the next week or so. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested. And yeah, that's it. It smells like onions in here. Bye. Hey, I'm Trey, and this is Kayla, and we are VC Family Homestead, but you might not have known, we're also Vineyard Chicks. We're part of a band, and we do all sorts of different kinds of music, and we go live every Monday, and you can find out more at Vineyard Chicks if you're interested. If you guys are wondering what we meant by Survival Seeds when we mentioned it during this video, Survival Seeds is a collaboration run by this guy, in collaboration with Lazy Days Ahead and Bushcraft Family, where we pick 6 seeds that we bought from Rainbow Seeds, which is an amazing seed company, and we ship to you. Unless you're in Canada, then we ship it from Miss Lori at Lori's World. Thank you, by the way, for that. You're the best. But if you are interested in growing survival seeds, then you can check out the video in the description on how you can make your entry video into Survival Seeds Collab. All the information you need and more is available at survivalseedscollab.com.
or email me at survivalseedscollab@gmail.com for any additional details.
As soon as we get your entry video, we'll be sending out your free 6 seeds that you can grow.
You don't get 6 packs of seeds.
Your free 6 packs of seeds, not 6 seeds, that you can grow right alongside with us and the rest of the community in Survival Seeds. We would be so glad to have you as part of the collaboration, and it would be super fun.
And the community is awesome.
This looks pathetic.
You're so short. Look. This is my little sister.